Hi guys, Notion and Asana are both modern project management software designed to work for and grow with small agile teams. But what's the difference between them? How can you decide which tool would be a better fit for you? Let's find out. Notion launched in 2016 and popular among tech startups and solopreneurs, simplifies the agile approach even further by adding intuitive information management and creative collaboration to the project management environment. Asana has been around twice as long as Notion, and the platform is built around a more traditional approach to agile project management, Kanban boards, calendars, timelines, and databases. For the ease of use, Notion is an easy-to-use platform for note-taking in which pages are built using blocks to cover all your tasks and displays the way you want by using templates or organizing from scratch by simply dragging and dropping options to form your dashboard, website, system, etc. Asana is mainly suitable for professional users who can use the app to manage projects and may require more time to discover all its rich functionalities, but with a very simple to use interface. When logging into Asana, you will need to enter all the relevant data for each project as it is a cloud application. For data management, both Notion and Asana use the same databases for data management that you use for project management. You can create as many separate projects or databases as you need to keep information organized. And you can set up animated, customized, and filtered views to visualize data and create dashboards. For automation, Asana offers superior native automation functionality, although Notion has native automation in the works with its 2021 acquisition of integration software Automate.io. In Asana, you can set custom rules to automate common steps in your project management processes, like routing tasks to the correct projects, assigning steps to the right team members, adding or tagging team members at necessary steps in the process, and notifying team members when work is ready for their input. And for apps and integrations, Asana offers integration with more than 200 apps. Some popular ones are Microsoft Teams, Tableau, Slack, Gmail, Zapier, Canva, YouTube. Notion, on the contrary, supports the Automate.io app that connects Notion with hundreds of applications. For templates, bots offer a wide range of templates. Asana categorizes those in design, marketing, operation, etc. And each category will have several templates. Notion comes with hundreds of templates. You can browse the library and duplicate the templates you like. All templates are categorized and you find templates for college students, business people, teams, and users who want to track their habits. And for the pricing, Notion has different pricing models that include a free plan for individual use to enterprise for large companies. Its pricing models include the personal plan, it's a free model, means for individual use with animated pages and blogs shared with 5 guests. The personal pro plan, it's built at $4 per month annually or $5 per month for monthly billing. Contains everything in personal plan with unlimited file uploads, unlimited guests, and a 30-day history. And also the team plan and the enterprise plan. Asana also has a variety of pricing models which start from basic to enterprise depending on your business size. The basic plan, its freemium package as no money is needed and can be used by individuals or teams just starting with project management. It has unlimited tasks and projects, unlimited file storage, 100 megabytes per file, collaboration with up to 15 teammates, etc. The premium plan, this pricing plan is suitable for organizations that need to create and manage projects with timelines, unlimited dashboards, advanced search, unlimited free guests, etc. It's priced at $13.50 per month for monthly billing and $11 per month annually. And also the business plan and the enterprise plan. Determining which app between Notion and Asana is better for projects management is largely based on what you want to achieve, as both apps are efficient and can serve different purposes. Both help in the management of projects and tasks, but if you are looking to use a simple task management tool with some notes taking, then Notion will be your most preferred option. Whereas if an efficient project management tool is needed to execute your projects where teams are given tasks to aid the overall completion of the project, then Asana should be your point of call. But it's up to you guys, it's up to you to decide. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you out. You can give me a like, that helps a lot in YouTube algorithm. Thank you and bye bye.